Hey out there, it's Wake Angel 2001, and once again I got home to a little surprise in the mail, another package to unbox, or unbag, as this one's an envelope. Comes to me from Jesse C. I'm not reading the last name because, personal information, but, putting the initial there so that Jesse will recognize themselves. And whatever's in here has at least some pokey bits, because there's a piece of cardboard that literally stabbed through the envelope. So, let's get into this thing. I don't want to completely destroy the thing, so let me get my scissors out. Scissors. Yep. By the way, I should say that if you follow me on DeviantArt, I just finished putting up the poll so you can choose what your favorite custom I made of last month was. I only made 4 figures. There's Fang the Wolf, that was a Forces avatar. Rouge the Bat, the first one I made this year. Captain Cuttlefish, for those Splatoon fans out there. And Joker the Tiefling. Okay. Alright, this is from Sacred Studios. Yes, okay. Aha. Awesome. Great. Alright, so these are the helmets for DJ Octavio. Another Splatoon thing. The first time I made DJ Octavio, this wouldn't fit in my printer. They were too big. So I had to improvise and make one using the half shell of a gumball machine bubble and some craft foam to actually make the helmet from scratch. But Sacred Studios wants a DJ Octavio figure for himself, and I said, oh, well, I wouldn't be able to print the helmet, but you have that 3D printer that can make really big stuff, right? So if you print the helmets out, then yeah, I can totally do it. I had him print 2 because I have another person who wanted to commission a DJ Octavio, so I have it. So now I have for that guy too. But yeah, so hold on. I printed DJ Octavio on my own 3D printer, which is just barely big enough to print this thing. So you can see, that's the octopus parts. Gotta put them together, gotta add the extra tentacles, all that. And boom, helmet. Yeah, see, the helmet actually fits the head. That's how big you have to make this helmet in order for it to fit the head and look like the video game model. It's very big. So yeah, that's fun. This is a upcoming custom that you're gonna see. Okay, so Sacred Studios, he sent me the helmets so that I can make his custom. This is the only part that he had to make though, because the rest of it I can make myself. And I already printed out most of the parts. They just have to be stuck together and painted and all that. I guess I can do a quick little preview of the stuff I'm working on. I got that Amy Rose minifigure done. This one has the feather clip that gives her that spinning attack in Sonic Adventure. This is a Princess Sally. I just got to make her hair and then I can paint her up. About halfway through painting this little fan character minifigure. Got her bottom half, just got to paint her upper half. And this is a Lightning Wispon. Most of it's done. I just need to paint the yellow parts in. And I'm almost done with this new Dr. Star line. So these are his legs, these are his shoes, and I have his torso and head are on this stick thing. Then arms are here, shoulders are on the thing. So this is almost done. This is probably going to be the first custom completed of May. In fact, I think I'm going to start getting to painting Starline so I can have him done for you as soon as possible. So we're going to get to that. Thank you for watching this unboxing video. Sacred Studios, thanks for the helmets. And this is Wake Angel 2001, whimsically signing off.